It's been a familiar friend to Edinburgh over the years. Now it's been given a makeover. A relic of the industrial past, the Granton gasholder is now a multicoloured beacon for the city.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's amazing. I mean, many years ago I lived not far from here when it was an actual operating gasworks, and they've been defunct for a long time. So to see part of the city's heritage lit up behind us as a beacon for what will happen here in the future is quite amazing.
Very proud. It's been many months of work, planning, programming, design and build to get this off the ground, and it's tremendous to see it go live tonight and the success that it's been with the launch. Absolutely delighted.
It's going to include lots of different types of students, from sound production, broadcast media, to performances, to computing students making apps, and it's just bringing everyone together in an iconic location with an iconic building, bringing it back to life.
Rather than council just doing things to people, we're doing them with people, so doing them with the private sector who are providing lights, with students who are doing journalism, who are doing the creative designs for us. So I think that partnership shows the commitment we've got to make Granton the place to be in the future.
Well, I think it reimagines it, doesn't it? I think that actually if you look at what we've got now and you imagine it with no lighting, it's an old structure that doesn't have much meaning or purpose, but it's really brought it back to life. And I actually think that the whole purpose of art in culture is to bring things back to life and to give things more meaning and to make things more, you know, we experience the world through the things we see, right, and the things we hear and the things we feel, and that's a perfect example.
When I fly into the city, I always use the gasholder as a beacon to know that I'm nearly home. To see that I'll now be able to find that out probably miles away before we get anywhere near Granton when it's lit up at night, it's a fantastic opportunity. I think people will love it when people are flying into the city. It'll be the beacon, and I think it will be the beacon that says to people, I passed that when I flew into the capital city, so let's go and see what's on offer down there. And I hope in the next 10 years, as we develop Granton into a cultural hub, a place people want to live and work and enjoy things, this will be the place to be for tourists. And as you've just seen the fantastic show behind us, there's now a challenge for Edinburgh Castle's fireworks show, because we can do it down here in Granton.
They say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Maybe, but one thing's for sure, a symbol of Edinburgh's industrial heritage is now a shining light into the capital's future.